Welcome to this presentation on coupled nanoring resonators-based, reconfigurable and multifunctional platform for photonic integrated circuits. This research was conducted by P. Agilandeshwari et al. And published on 3rd November 2022. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. The field of photonic integrated circuits, or PICS, has seen rapid growth, yet a critical challenge remains: the need for simultaneously increased functionality and reduced footprint. Current approaches often lead to application-specific circuits or rely on complex materials and external tuning mechanisms. This work introduces a theoretical contribution, a single nanostructure platform based on coupled nanoring resonators that relaxes the assumption that distinct physical structures are required for each optical function. This platform integrates 5 distinct optical components onto a single chip, addressing the limitations of prior work, such as those by N. Youngblood et al. And L. Zhuang et al. The platform is constructed from silicon rods arranged in a photonic crystal lattice, featuring 2 coupled nanoring resonators of dissimilar sizes, R1 at 23.92 square micrometers and R2 at 18.4 square micrometers, within an overall footprint of 186.48 square micrometers. This design leverages the principle of resonant coupling between the rings, where light is transferred when specific resonance conditions are met for each ring. Numerical analysis was performed using the finite difference time domain, or FDTD, method to solve Maxwell's equations, allowing for the precise simulation of light propagation and device performance. The all-optical reconfigurability, driven by wavelength-dependent resonant coupling, is a key aspect of this design, avoiding the need for thermo-optic or electro-optic tuning. The coupled nanoring resonator platform demonstrates strong performance across its 5 integrated functions. For the optical D flip-flop, a high contrast ratio of 36.98 decibels was achieved with a low input power of 0.0595 milliwatts. The optical bandpass filter exhibited a quality factor of 212.28 and a low insertion loss of 0.0043 decibels. This quality factor represents a significant improvement over the 113.51 observed in the single-ring resonator ablation, as shown in Figure 5a, directly attributable to the coupled resonator design. The proposed platform significantly outperforms several prior baselines. For the reconfigurable switch, it achieves a 30.96 decibel extinction ratio, surpassing Rajshekhar et al., Sinzia 9.8 decibels and Gurdon and Mansoori Birzandi's 20 decibels, as detailed in Table 1y. Similarly, the D flip-flop's 36.98 decibel contrast ratio exceeds Shaikh and Nakiran's 25 decibels and Abbasi et al. Minus 15 decibels, shown in Table 5. The all-optical mechanism for reconfigurability, avoiding thermo-optic or electro-optic effects, is a key driver for these performance gains. The authors report that the device exhibits acceptable tolerance to fabrication errors, with rod radii variations of plus or minus 4 nanometers resulting in negligible changes to key parameters, as shown in Table 1i. However, the paper does not report on sample size, statistical significance, distribution shift behavior, or generalization caveats. This work successfully demonstrates a coupled nanoring resonator platform capable of reconfigurable and multifunctional operation, integrating 5 distinct optical components onto a single compact chip. The all-optical reconfigurability, achieved through wavelength-dependent resonant coupling, represents a significant advancement by simplifying device operation and enhancing performance without relying on complex external tuning. With an ultra-compact size of 186.48 square micrometers and an optimized data rate of 5.4 terabits per second, this platform is highly suitable for next-generation optical computing and wavelength division multiplexing-based photonic communication systems.